People, what are we looking at right here? Why is Pepe all the way down here? We was doing so good. We was holding the demand zone. All of a sudden, unemployment rates way higher than what people would expect, and talks of a recession. Now everybody's panic selling. What are you doing? You should be like panic buying. If I'm gonna be real with you, panic buy on all the bloody days. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. Now look, this day is over with right here in 5 hours and 21 minutes. We're gonna see exactly where it is we close at, but I'm just giving y'all the knowledge of why it is that we down like this. Cause I know I've been hyping it up. Pepe might hold this demand zone and just keep it moving, right? But when times like this happen, it's always great to, just go back and reevaluate what's going on exactly. Not that long ago, we was doing the same thing with Bitcoin, where we had mapped out the parallel channel, but we didn't bring the channel down far enough, and it was looking as if we were just diverting out of the channel for, I'll just show you guys real quick. I don't even know why I gotta talk about it. So in the beginning, when we had this channel right here on Bitcoin, we had priced it up at right here, at this right here. So we marked this down like a little deviation, then we deviate even lower. But it's always okay to entertain adjustments to your thesis. It's always okay to entertain the adjustment of it. That is perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it at all. Sometimes you just need to adjust, and that's exactly what's going on with right now with Pepe. We just need a little adjustment on what it is that we thought was going to happen. That's the risk when it comes to day-by-day trading. I do not day trade. I am a crypto investor. I let it ride for years, for at least the whole 3-year cycle of Bitcoin. Until you get into that actual the start of the bull run, a definitive 2.5 years. Just let just buy and let it run. That's how you got to do it. But it ain't nothing too serious though, y'all. It's nothing too serious. Don't panic sell. Please don't be that person, because the markets will reverse. Nothing can go down forever. It will go down quite a bit. We might even continue to go down within the next couple of days. Starting off on Monday, we might see a turnaround. Who knows? It's okay though. It is perfectly fine. If you have that conviction in what it is that you're investing into in the first place, none of this stuff scares you. It's nothing more than just more opportunity. So make sure y'all ain't like some of these other busters out here, man. Don't fall for the BS. Now, as we know, every time Pepe tends to make his fall to the downside, so does the other Boys Club members, sadly enough. We can take a quick look at Brett, and we can see it has fell down drastically, very, very drastically. Look at Andy, and it has also made a drastic move to the downside, breaking structure. Everything in all the crypto markets right now, in all markets, equity and everything is breaking structure, all because of the unemployment rates being way too high. People think it's a recession, panic selling. It happens. It happens. It happens. Even when you look at Wolf right here. Well, honestly, Wolf hasn't broken structure because it didn't even have the time to really take off yet, so it's still looking like a pretty decent chart if you ask me. We haven't broken out of it at all. In fact, if you want to look at like the lines I got at right now as being like the base, let me just see. Like this liquidity zone right here, you're just right there at it. So all is well. All is well. Some of my other tickers as well are falling under structure. Bobo here, very, very sad. Very, very sad. But, like I said, it's okay. Everything will turn back around. All season will be here around November time after the election takes place, and they really start pumping the markets up with QE. Can't wait. Quantitative easing. Ease my soul. Make me rich. That's all I got to say. Make me rich. Trump, Kennedy, one of y'all, anybody but Harris. We don't need her. She can kiss dirt. We don't need her. We don't need her. But seriously though, I'll see y'all guys next time.